I hit this issue today, and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you're looking to remove a device from your Xoom 2026, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Open Settings. Navigate to the Settings app on your Xoom 2026. You can usually find it in your app drawer by swiping down from the top of the screen and tapping the Get icon. Step 2. Select Connected Devices. In the Settings menu, scroll down and select Connected Devices. This section manages all devices linked to your Xoom. Step 3. Choose the device to remove. Under Connected Devices, you will see a list of all paired devices. Tap on the device you wish to remove. Step 4. Remove Device. Once you select the device, look for the Remove option. Tap it to disconnect the device from your Xoom. You might see a confirmation prompt. Just confirm your choice. Step 5. Confirm removal. After tapping Remove, ensure that the device is no longer listed under Connected Devices. If it still appears, try restarting your Xoom to refresh the list. If you follow these steps, you should have no trouble removing devices from your Xoom 2026. Feel free to reach out if you have any questions.